Here's the product itself. It is a beautiful looking pocket watch. It says, "I wish I could turn back time. I'd find you sooner and love you longer." This is a great watch to sell to a wife to give as a gift to her husband or a fiance or someone that's in a relationship. So here's the vendor on AliExpress. And if you go to AliExpress and just type in something like stainless steel pocket watch, something similar to that, you will find like 30 to 50 different vendors of this. And that's before you go to Alibaba, try to find it in bulk and different things, which is good because that means that there's a lot of people out there that can make it. So supply chain should be pretty simple. And it also means that you can probably get way better pricing on it if you actually do some negotiation. So this one is showing in at $4.12. We know we can get it a lot cheaper than that because we actually have already worked out the numbers on this because we just started trying to sell it. So the campaign name is Turn Back Time. It's a gift that we're selling for wives to their husband, and it's a pocket watch. Pricing $49.95 plus free shipping and handling. And then we might split test that and change it so we can get better margins. I think we can sell it for even more, but that's where we're starting. The cost of goods and manufacturing is $4.12. Now, if you just go to Alibaba, you can find this for $2.47 for buying it just 100 pieces. The engraving fee, we can always get things engraved for like $1 or $2 very cheaply. So the total price after price negotiations, because they can e-packet it for us, is $3.72. Now, if we can get an engraver if they can actually engrave it and e-packet it out, we can save the shipping costs as well. But let's just say that the shipping cost for this is $3.25. Stripe and PayPal fees is $1.82. Total costs $8.79. So our safe CPA is $39, and that includes a little bit more margin there for refunds, cancels, and anything else that happens. We could really pay $41, especially if the person's going to buy stuff from us later. But let's just say safe CPA that we can pay in our ads is $39. Now, I can't tell you the total units sold of this one because we just started selling it, and we're still selling it. So here's the initial ad, creative itself. This pocket watch makes a great gift for your husband, fiance, or boyfriend. Get yours here, link. And just, I think it looks really nice. And if you look right here, you can see that this photo here, 1, 2, 3, 4 down, is the exact photo that we used for our ad. We just put a design on the front of it. So here is the initial ad targeting. We ran a couple different ads already. And this is just keeping it simple. All right, 35 plus, women, engaged. Nothing more than that. Okay, 770,000 people in that audience. Now, we tested it in several different ways, different places, and we follow our own ad strategies, which we teach in the Dropship on Demand course. But here's what a couple of them look like. We just started, all right? So these are live in the account. Women 35 plus engaged. We have a $50 day ad, now $100 day ad as well. So we're doing $25.20 per purchase, and we've got 31 purchases. So it is profitable. It's a valid product, and we can begin scaling it up. And that means a lot of different things. I'll just give you a brief look at just some of the stuff we do for vertical scaling. We build out lookalike audiences. We bump up our budgets in a methodical, systemized way. And then we do manual bids if we really think that the actual product can scale really, really well. So we just started into this. We bumped some of the $50 ones up to $100, but I don't want to go too far into those strategies because they're covered in depth in the course. Now, the horizontal scaling, this is what's super unique, is we're taking dropship and we're putting on demand to it. Now, there's a lot of variations. That's just one pocket watch. We could do to my son from mom or dad, and I think this would do really, really well as a dad giving it as a gift to his son because it's a little bit more of a male watch, I believe. But we haven't tried these yet. They're gonna get tried though very quickly, so jump on them if you'd like. To my husband, love your wife. To my fiance, love you. To my dad, happy Father's Day. Grandpa to grandson, all the different things, the same way that we scale many other products. Okay, so first up, we got it up already. Mom to son. To my son, never forget that, yada, 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 yada. We've sold this phrase for years on different products, so we know it sells really, really well. Here's the targeting. I blurred it out because that shows you one of our product names that we built our audience off of first with purchases. So let's look at this here, 2.1 million people, and it's women, 35 plus. And all we're doing is targeting a lookalike audience for people that have purchased a similar product before. That's it. Nothing crazy. And it's working really, really well. Here's the creative, just like before, but it's got a different design on it. 19 purchases on the 1% lookalike. And we're also trying an ad that's not lookalike based. It's just parents. And these are big, broad demographics so that if we do get them working, we know that we can scale to some pretty aggressive numbers. Dad to son is a massive market. Some of the biggest campaigns in the history of on-demand have came from that market. So $16.35 per purchase on that top ad, $24.65 on the other one. We need to start doubling the budgets and start vertically scaling on them. But what I'm talking about here is horizontal scaling. So this is another winner. We're going to get winner after winner after winner from this product most likely. Here's the next one up. To my son. Yada, yada, yada. Dad to son. All right, so you get the point. We get winner after winner after winner just from taking one supply chain and getting the process worked out, and then we can scale very, very quickly. So this is just one variation, one product, one market. We're going to do all the other different variations. We might even start putting niche-based designs in it with Buddha, an elephant, a cross, do things that are a little bit more religious, and you can start intersecting into a whole lot other audiences, and you can really horizontally scale down as far as you want. Like if you wanted to put a state in the middle of the design, which I don't think would sell, but that is the beauty of the horizontal scaling. You can start doing that. So this is just one product. There's bracelets, necklaces, crosses, watches, wallets, wallet inserts, which are random products that you would never think about selling, purses, rings, cuffs, ties, other objects, cutting boards, regular on-demand products. There's so many products out there that you can apply this model to. So you mix on-demand with dropship together, and you just get a really potent mix. So I want to show you another campaign that we ran before this that we actually built the audience with for those lookalikes, so that you can see what this watch can look like at scale, because we just started this one. So here's another one. This is an engraved wooden watch. We charge more for this one. It's $59.95 plus $4.95 shipping and handling. So it's like $64.90 out the door for this product. Okay. Here's the manufacturer. It's $18.89. This is manufacturer is called Bobo Bird. They're a really big company in China. They also have warehouses in the US as well. And then here is the customization that's showing for $5.59. Now, we have worked extensively with this manufacturer, and that's why I encourage people to not use too many integrations when talking with the supply chain and actually speak to them, because doing that, we negotiated it's $15 out the door, and that is including the watch and the customization, and it goes out via e-packet, so we get a tracking number and the shipping's free. So it's only $7 more expensive out the door than the pocket watch, and we were able to charge like $15 more because we charged $10 more and shipping. So we had even better margins with this product. So we targeted things very similar, but we've scaled this one up quite aggressively because we've ran this one longer. The pocket watch I'm showing you is brand new. So here's just some of the ads. We go through this case study in depth, step by step, day by day, piece by piece in the Dropship On Demand program from zero sales. How we validated this product, how we found it with research, absolutely everything. So you're seeing a little bit scaled up version of just some of the ads that happen here. I'm not going to go through the ad strategies and how we figure out which ones work and when. That's covered in the course. But this gives you a little bit of an idea of what that pocket watch could do at scale. We have a $28.28 per purchase. Our product cost out the door is like $15. So our margin is extremely high. We also even had an upsell for this product as well, which I don't want to cover right now. But we put $124,000 into ads methodically, simply, without hardly any risk. Almost all of our ads were winners, and we also had upsells, and this has underreporting. We brought back like $300,000 plus, more than that actually in sales. But just showing what Facebook shows here is $284,353.36, and there's a very large chunk of profit in the middle of that campaign. So don't let the budget scare you. We start small with a small budget, and we only scale up to the big ones once we know our ads are going to be working and be profitable for us. So here is the action steps. For one, take action. You have content here, you have a system here, at least take action now.